Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education, Mbose, henne ka sngi ka kharlai tarik mentau naitung arajar arpo. Kalapan benai ka result jong ka examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate 2020. Haka art stream, bat menta ka snamru ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kala kampau haka thop kerteng haki kerdan bahalor. Haka ni ka snam ka Mahima Sinha na ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo ya ka first position. Kat ba kasamla Riti Shari Khan na kani ka jo ka school kalayo ya ka second position. Kibayakon ya ka examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate ha ka art stream menta ka snam arajar arpo. Kiladon hadu arpusau hajar arspa henri punyo ngot baro. Bat na kine khat pra hajar laip khandai ngot ki bapas kabalong pan henyo pusau point lai pusau na ka shispa. Kabalong henyo pusau point lai sau na ka shispa.
Mahima, how do you feel being the topper of 12 arts?
I feel incredibly overwhelmed. It was quite unexpected that I would actually top the stage. I was asleep until 10:30 in the morning and I woke up to around 12 to 13 missed calls by my friends, my teachers, my family, and that's how I got to know about it. And I'm extremely grateful to my parents, my mother, my father, my institution as well. My mother has always been very supportive of me, of whatever I did, and so has been my father. And yes, I'm very grateful to my teachers, my guides, my friends. Yeah.
So, what are your future plans?
I'm aspiring to take a degree in comparative literature, and I'm aspiring for the civil services examination.
Okay, why do you want to be a IES?
As I was a child, ever since I was a child, I'd always been very passionate about, serving the country in the realm of being a civil servant. I've always been passionate about it, which is why I've always developed this interest in reading books on Western philosophy, on world history, on society and art and culture. So I've always been fascinated by it, and I think Indian Administrative Services will provide me the exact job, the exact profession that I would seek, that I would want to devote my life into.
Kisong kumno halor kanika junior ko jong piya ka second position haka 12 arts.
And kung do tang akamenshika namar ka long unexpected namar bahaba nga perkat from preparation sa nga exam. Kilong si kalong ba kita kabae haba nga perkat namar the question paper but the question paper ling bakher but kibae nga kampoy perkat ka ban po second position hindi nga comment nga ay mo ya yakihin may pa yakihin nga nga ba ay motivation nga mo.
Tapi hakani ka din penkre ka jong piya exam pila man patay hakanu ko dor penkre da pen yo man khay ko so ba jing job.
Ningkondo te pihak wati la ka jong ka style ban krepat ngate bangalap LD bang smart hub krepat 4 minute te nga kampo ukit bahasa na hoy nga persaman krepat 54 7 nga ay bon aki apes nga 4 minute na mahaso nga kamlong active ka namarba sa tiyang ka environment ban sa kada.
Timta hadin ba pila pass kumne ka exam ay gading tumugo jong pimut ang bunsim honors sa kanu subject ba na pimut bunsim honors sa kanu subject kay gadaw ko plong pi ba pinjit ka ta subject.
Nga kwa ban sim honors hata subject economics kaya ningkondo te habang perkat galing mga pamilya sim economics. Kadi ba ka interest how to subject ni namarba wala ka mga subject ka ba hindi long nga public shushu te shani ka subject nga paban training na bhash shani ka subject ka tara ang passion on sa economy.
Publish mo ni ka jing platform ko ng pi but say congratulations.